Welcome back to channel. Chapter 3 Squares and Square Roots. I Enrich 3. Before solving this, most of you are watching without subscribing. Subscribe and share it with your friends. I am planning to take online classes. If anyone is interested, you can contact me through Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. First one. Write the number of digits in the square roots of the following numbers. A. 6, 4, 2, 1. Okay, you can write it directly. If there is 4 digit, then the square root of the number will contain only 2 digits. Write half of its value. B. 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. Find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. Contains 3. C. 7, 7, 6, 1, 6, 1. It's also 3. D. 15,22,756. So it is greater than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 7 digit. So definitely it is 4. E. 4 and 4. You can separate 4 by 4. So it has 4 digits. Square root of this number contain 4 digits. So if it is 4, our answer will be 2. If it is 5, our answer will be 3. Second sum. Find the square root of the following using division method. This is very important. Listen carefully. Square root of 1849 using division method. 1849. So first separate two digits from the last. Okay. 49, 18. And then any number square is near to 18. 3 square is 9, not near to 18. 4 square, what? 16, near to 18. So 4 4s are 16. Remainder 2. Now you have to bring down both the digits, that is 49. Now multiply the quotient by 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now look at the last digit 3. We need another digit here. Okay. What number multiplied by the same number gives us 9? Either 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49. The digit ends with 9. But 7 8s are 56. But we need only 24 in front of 9. So we can try with 3 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. So remainder is 0 and we got a square root, that is 43. Is it clear? B. Square root of 6724, which is equal to 6724. Separate 2 by 2. Nearest number for 67, 8. 8 8s are 64. Remainder 3. Bring down 24. Okay. Now 8 2s are 16. We need last digit as 4. Either 2 into 2 is 4 or 8 into 8 is 64. Last digit is 4. But 8 6 are 48. Second digit exits. So we can try with 2 alone. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So remainder is 0. Square root of 6724 is 82. C. 841. 3 3s are 9. It exits 8. We can try with 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 4. Bring down 41. 2 2s are 4. Now try with 9. Last digit is 1. 1 into 1 gives us 41 alone. But we need last digit as 1. So try with 9. 49 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 8, 44. So remainder 0, which is equal to 29 is the square root. D subdivision. 7744. Square root of 7744. So 2 digits separated. Now 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. So we can go with 8. 8 8s are 64. 1 3 4 4. 8 2s are 16. So last digit is 4. We need, so we can try with 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So remainder is 0. Square root of 7744 is 88. Next, E subdivision. Square root of 8464. 8464. Separate. 9 nines are 81. Remaining 364. 9 twos are 18 into 2. 2 times 364. Remainder is 0. So our square root is 92. Is it clear? This is very important. Make sure you are thorough in this method. If there is any doubt, you can ask me to repeat in the comment section. Okay. F subdivision. Square root of 2414916. 2414916. Separate two digits from last. 1 ones are 1. Remaining 1. Bring down 41. 1 into 2 is what? 2. Go with the nearest number. 7 times 14. 14 plus 4. 18. It exits 141. 8. 8 2s are 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12. 13 14 15. 5 times 25. Yes. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 16 remainder. Bring down 49. Multiply 15 into 2. 30. 6 times 18. So you can go with 5 times. 5. 1 5 1 2 5. Remainder 1 2 4 1 6. Multiply 155 by 2. 10 10 11 2 3. 4 times 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 3s are 12. So remaining is 0. Our answer is 1554. Now G. Square root of 39204. 39204. Separate from last as two digits. 1 ones are 1. Remaining 2. Bring down 92. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 9. Sorry, 18 plus 8. 26. 9 nines are 81. 8. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8. 26. 3104. 19 into 2. 38. 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6, 70. 24 plus 7, 31. So remain 0. 198. H. Square root of 828100 is equal to 828100. 2 digits. 9 nines are 81. Remainder 181. 9 twos are 18. 1 into 181 is 181. So for 20 you can add only 10. So answer is 910. I. Square root of 52900, which is equal to 52900. Separate from last two digits. 2 twos are 4. 129. 2 twos are 4 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, remainder 0. For another 0, you can include 1 0 at the last. So 230 is the square root of 52900. J. Square root of 47961. 47961. Separate from last. 2 2s are 479. Multiply by 2 2s are 4. 4 into 2 becomes 84. Sorry, 42 into 2 becomes 84. 1 41. 3861. 429. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 219. Third sum. Find the least number that must be added to the following numbers to get the perfect square. Also find the square root of in each case. Least number that should be added. Okay. So A 3 4 5 1 can go with long division method. 6 6 are 36. So 5 5s are 25. Remaining 9 5 1. 5 2s are 10. 9 times we get 9 9s are 81. 9. So difference between this is minus 30. So 30 must be added to make this as a perfect square. 30 must be added, and then the new number is 3481. Square root of 3481 is 59. B 7896. 7896. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. So 8 8s are 64. 1496. 8 2s are 16. 6 times 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3, 9. So it is below. You can go with 7. 742. 42. It is listen. Can you go with 8? 9. 9 is 81. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8, 62. 9 plus 6, 15. So what is remaining? Minus 5. 2. Minus 1 to 5. So minus 25. So 25 must be added. Must be added. Square root of 7896 plus 25. 1 and 10 12 9. 7921. 7921 is equal to 89. C. 54723. 54723. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 147. 2 2s are 4. 3. 1 2 9. 1823. 46. 4 times 4 fours are 16, 24, 25, 16, 18. So remaining is minus 33. So we need to multiply by, add 33. 33 must be added. So new number 54756 is equal to 234. D 18355. 18355. 1 ones are 1. 83 2 3. 3 times 69. 7 minus 6 is 1. 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 5 2 6. 6 times 6 6 are 36. 36 39. 12 13 14 15. 1596. So 141. That is 141 is minus 141 is a reminder. We need to add 141. 141 must be added. Square root of 18496 is equal to 136. E 23455. 1 ones are 1. Remaining 134. 1 into 2 is 2. 6 times it is not possible. 5 5 125. 9 5 5 30. 3 times not possible. 4 4 4 was a 16. 4 threes are 12. So remaining is 1 6 2. So we need to add minus 261. We need to add 261. 261 must be added. Square root of 2 3 6. 2 3 7 1 6 is equal to 154. Fourth sum. Find the least number that must be subtracted from the following numbers to get a square number. Also find the square root in each case. A subdivision 578. So first we can try with the long division method. 578. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 178. 2 2s are 4. 4 4 4s are 16. 16 17. Remainder is 2. So 2 must be subtracted. After subtracting 2, we get 576, which is equal to 24 is the square root of 576. B 1 2 5 5. Subtract two numbers. 3 3s are 9 because 4 4s are 16. It exceeds 12. 355. 3 2s are 6 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2. 32. Remaining is 30. We need to subtract 30 from it. Okay. 2 must be subtracted. Here 30 must be subtracted. So 30 minus 1255 is 1225, which is equal to 35. C 15678. 15678. Separate two numbers. 1 ones are 1. 56. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3, not possible. 2 2s are 2 into 22 is 44. 1 2 7 8. 24. 4 times. 6 times. 6 6 are 36. 6 4 is 24. 25 26 27. 6 is 12. 14 the exits. 5 times. 5 5 is 25. 20. 22. 2 is 10. 11 12. Remaining is 53. So we need to subtract 53. 53 must be subtracted. So 15678 minus 53 is 15625, which is equal to 125. D 23542. 23542. 1 1s are 1. 135. 1 into 2 is 2. 6 times not possible. 5 times. 5 into 25. 125. 1042. 15 into 2 is 30. 4 times not possible. 3. 3 3s are 9. 0 9. Remaining is 12 3 9. 33. So we need to subtract 10 minus 133. 133 must be subtracted. Square root of 2 3 4 1. Sorry. Subtract 2 3 5 4 2 5 1 3 3. 12 3. So square root of 2 3 4 0 9 is equal to 153. E 100 500. 100 500. Separate two numbers from last. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1 0 5. 3 2s are 6. Into 2 exits. So 1 time 61. 4 4 00. 62. 6. 6 6 are 36. 12 plus 3 15. 36 37. We can try with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 4 7 is a 14. 14 plus 4 18. 42 43. 10 9 3 1 1. 11 must be subtracted. 11 must be subtracted. Subtract 11 and then write 100 500 minus 11. 10 9 4. So 100 4 3 9 is equal to 317. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next sum? Fifth sum. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Find square root as usual and then keep the decimal point. If there is 2 decimal point, keep 1 decimal point. That's it. A 59.29 square root of 59.29. 7 sevens are 49. 1029. Point 7 2s are 14. 7 7 sevens are 49. 28 plus 4 is 32. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0. Answer is 7.7. B. 47.61. 47.61. 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. So 6 6 are 36. 1 1 6 1. 6 2s are 12. 9 times 9. 6.9. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 9. 18 plus 8 is 26. 9 plus 2 is 11. 0. Which is equal to 6.9. C. Square root of 56.25. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64 is exits. So 7 7s are 49. 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 5. 7 2s are 14. 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 5 plus 2 is 7. Answer is 7.5. C. D. 4.84. 4.84. 2 2s are 4. 84. Point. 2 to the 4 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Our answer is 2.2. E. Square root of 114.49. 114.49. 1 1s are 1. And 14. 2. 1 not possible. 0.49. 0. 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 2s are 14. So remaining is 0. Square root is 10.7. Is it clear? 67. Find the square root of the following numbers approximated to the nearest integer. Okay. So we need to find square root of 378. Before that, 20 square is 400. 19 square is, so we can write 19 into 19. 9 into 81. 817 9 1 6. Oh, greater than 19 square and less than 20 square. 20 square is 400. Therefore, its approximate value is 19. B. Square root of 909. So 909 is between 10 square is 100. Okay. 31 square is what? 31 into 31. 961. 30 square is 900. Is between 900 and that is between 30 square and 31 square. So its approximate value is 30. C. 1000. 32 square is 64. 96. 1024. So 31 square is 3961 and 32 square is 1024. So its approximate value is near to 31. Between 31 square and 32 square, right? 31 square is 961. So it's approximately 32 because it is very near to what? 1024. That is 32 is answer. D. 1700 approximate value. 40 square is 1600. 41 into 41 16 sorry 41 416 1681 42 84 8 16 1764. So lies between 1681, which is 41 square, and 42 square, which is near to that 41. E. 9604 9604 98 into 98 64 72 72 plus 6 78 72 81 8 plus 7 15 72 81 plus 7 88 4 10 9604 actually 98 98 into 98 9604. Okay, seventh sum. Find the greatest 6-digit perfect square. Greatest means you can go with, okay, 9,99,999 separate from 2. Okay, so 10 tens are 100. You can go with 9. 9 nines are 81. 1 8 9 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 times 9 nines are 81. 8 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 8 80. 9 plus 8 17. 1 9 8 9 9. 1 9 8. 3 threes are 9, not possible. Try with 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 eights are 72. 72 plus 8 80. 81 plus 8 89. 9 plus 8 17. 8 9 9 1. So subtract 9 9 9 9 9 9 minus 1998. So 100899. So the greatest 6-digit perfect square is greatest 6-digit perfect square number is 9,98,001. Eighth sum. Find the smallest 5-digit perfect square number. So 1 2 3 5 digit. 9 nines are, sorry, 10 into 10 is 100. 10 is 0 0. So smallest 5-digit perfect square number is 10,000. Ninth sum. Latika wants to find the square root of 403 approximated to the nearest integer. Help her find the same. So 403. So 20 square is 400. and 21 square is 441. So 20 square is near to that. So approximate value is 20. 10th. Which smallest number must be added to make it a perfect square? 12.21. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 5 times 25. Which smaller number must be added? 5. 5 5s are 25. 30 32 minus 4. So we need to add 0.04 must be added to make it perfect square. 11th sum. Find the least number that must be added to 1100 to get a perfect square. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 200. 3 2s are 6. What number must be added? 4. 4. 16. 24. 25. So minus 56. So we need to add 56 must be added. On adding 56, we will get 1156. Square root of 1156 is 34. So with this, chapter 3, squares and square roots, I and 3 is completed. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section. We can discuss over there. Most of you are watching without subscribing. Share it with your friends and keep subscribing and supporting. I'm planning to take online classes. If anyone is interested, you can contact me through Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. See you in another video. Take care.